Welcome to Hanna-Barbera's Greatest Hits. Here are the top 10 classic effects chosen by longtime Hanna-Barbera editor Paul Douglas. Number 10. Muttley bites Dick Dastardly on the butt. This sound is so evocative of Muttley's powerful jaws that few who hear it can ever forget it. Number 9. George Jetson becomes Jet Screamer. Mr. Jetson turns into a teenage idol. You have to hear it to understand. Number 8. Yogi Bear's Noggin Clonk. When Yogi gets bumped on the head, he's usually in the middle of feeding his empty stomach, hence this hollow clonking sound. Number 7. Fred's Head Hit. It's well known that Fred Flintstone has a hard head, but the effects man must decide just how hard. The ringing sound of solid iron does the trick. Number 6. Jerry pulls Tom's whiskers. A familiar sound from the golden age of cartoons. In those cat and mouse classics, Jerry the Mouse often pulls the whiskers of Tom the Cat. Number 5. Barney's Big Head Take. When a person does a take, it doesn't really make a sound in the normal physical world. But in the cartoon Stone Age world of the Flintstones, it sounds exactly like this. Number 4. Fred drops the ball. When Fred Flintstone bowls, there's no telling where the ball will go, but most likely, it will land on his foot. A classic crash from the Stone Age. Number 3. El Kabong's Guitar Hit. In Quick Draw McGraw's alter ego is the heroic El Kabong. His only weapon is his guitar. He doesn't play it though, he clobbers the villains with it. Number 2. Gazoo Materializing. Cartoon sound effects editors sometimes have to stretch their imaginations. Here's what it sounds like when Gazoo, the outer space pixie on the Flintstones, comes into view. Number 1. Fred Flintstone Scrambling. We've saved the best for last. All cartoon hell breaks loose when Fred is rushing around in a panic. All of these classic effects and more can be found in the Hanna-Barbera Sound Effects Library exclusively from Sound Ideas. This 4-CD collection features over 2,200 effects. Or, for individual sounds, visit stockmusic.com.